Covertly detect motion outdoors with the Camouflage wireless motion detector kit intended for use in outdoor sports. This kit includes a receiver unit and a motion detector unit to accurately detect motion from up to 50 away. The two units can be placed up to 1,000 away from each other and are water and shock resistant, making them suitable for use in wooded areas. The receiver unit can connect to up to 4 motion detectors, available separately, and features 4 LED indicators to inform you of motion from the specific motion detector. The receiver can vibrate or flash in LED light when motion is detected, or a buzzer can be set up to alert you via audio. Earphones are included for discrete alerts. Up to 1,000 transmission distance. Motion detector accurately detects movement from up to 50 away. Receiver and motion detection can be battery-powered, batteries available separately. Vibrates, beeps, or flashes LED light upon motion detection. Selectable channels, 3. Low battery indicator. Water and shock resistant for outdoor use.